my cricket last night. Oh yeah. It said make on one.
Animal!
Oh my god.
I gotta get a cup first.
I want graduation present.
Oh,
Birkenstocks because girls are making fun of you. That's the funny thing.
And then literally, yes.
Literally AF.
Yeah. You're going to edit that out.
Say literally.
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 AF. Literally.
AF. Okay. Have you ever skipped class?
Yes.
Yes.
I skip class all the time.
This is so. I can't tell you.
It's fun.
So farm
No. Mentally safe.
drank.
Yes.
Yes. Shoplifted.
No, that scares the shit out of me. Cause like I look around, everybody's like, you look around too much. I'm like, I always look around because there's sketchy ass people.
No, I haven't ever shoplifted. Gotten a tattoo.
No, not yet.
No. Broken up with someone.
I've never been in a relationship.
Yes.
Shocking.
I have. What's your favorite show? Our favorite show to watch together, I know, is Shameless.
Yeah.
My favorite show, I'm binge watching ER right now, so that's that.
I'm watching a lot of shows right now, but I really like Riverdale, and they had their season finale last night, so I'm ready for season 3. And I follow the girl because there's a redheaded girl on that show, and she has a YouTube channel, and I follow her. I really like her.
Favorite movie?
Flicka! Or Spirit.
My favorite cartoon is Brave. That is my favorite cartoon, and then my favorite movie. Wild. Yes, I love Wild. And I did that in my Q&A. I talked about my 3 favorite movies. Linked it down below. All right. Favorite singer / band. Favorite band. It's also in my other Q&A, linked below. Randy Rogers Band. I listen to them, and here recently I've been listening to Luke Combs a lot. My husband actually got last year, right on Memorial Day weekend, actually, a year ago. Yeah, well, oh my God, it's been a flipping year. Anyway, we went out and ate at Olive Garden, and our waiter in Louisiana, not here. Our waiter here was like, I thought you were Luke Combs, and I knew the Hurricane song, but yeah,
It's the weirdest.
yeah, the guy even had to take a picture. It was kind of weird. Anyway, I think he was hitting on my head.
For me, I like the Turnpike Troubadours. And Sissy thinks it's just because they talk about autumn. No, it's not. Oh, I love the Turnpike Troubadours. I don't have a really favorite singer, but I do love Miranda Lambert.
Yes.
And then the Ashley McBride, she's coming out with a lot of good songs. Like the Pistol Annies I like, except for the blonde one. I don't like the blonde.
Oh, I like her. I like her voice. What's that one? Drinking Problem. Midland.
Midland.
They are one of my favorites right now too.
There's a lot of good singers right now.
Yeah. Favorite memory. Oh, tell about the memory that actually you were just talking about the other day.
Oh, about whenever I was going to kindergarten?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought of this too. I'm happy we thought of it. Okay, so whenever she was in 8th grade whenever I was in preschool. So,
yeah.
and our school only went up to 8th grade. So then she went to high school,
yeah.
a freshman.
A different school.
Yeah, and in a different town or area.
Yeah.
And then, so I was going to kindergarten, and my mom was like, "Are you sure you want to go to kindergarten, Autumn, or do you want to stay back in preschool?" I was like, "No, I want to go to kindergarten. I like school." I still like it. But my sister told me, she was like, "Autumn, since I'm not going to be in school with you now, if anybody picks on you, tell me, and I'll go and beat them up." Still true. Still true.
a week ago today, me and Autumn weren't on very good terms. We got in an argument. We're better now, though. My dad called me while I was getting my nails done last Thursday and was like, Autumn's being picked on. I was wearing this
Picked on, harassed.
yeah, social media bullied. And my dad told me what shoes she was wearing when they took a picture and put her on social media. I was wearing these same exact shoes. I dropped what I was doing. I didn't even go get groceries. And I went and seen my sister. And I hung out in her town for an hour or two before she even got out because I just had to see her. And I was so mad that she was being picked on. By God, I'm the only one that can pick on my sister. And I'm the only one that can pick on her about her breathing. So, ugh.
I got asthma, okay?
Yeah. I pick on my little sister because she's my little sister and I love her. And she knows that I'm joking.
Yeah.
But
You're the only people that I know are joking. Everybody else I'm kind of like sketched out at, except for my friends.
by God, if somebody picks on her about that, I will whip some ass. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Favorite book? I don't read.
I really like The Help.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't end it.
Love that.
Started it.
Love
took
that movie.
a test on it. Got a 65%. That's passing right there.
Okay. This or that. Invisible or ability to fly? Oh, which would you have?
Invisibility or able to fly? I would pick invisible. Oh, I don't know.
I'd fly.
Invisibility because I could be up.
So did you figure out if you would fly or be invisible?
It depends on how I would fly, because if I had like wings or I had to flap my arms, no. Well, maybe because then I'd have slimmer arms.
Because they're a little chunky, but
I'd probably fly. That way I could get places easier, and I wouldn't have to waste money on gas.
Yeah. Cookie or cake? Cookies or cake?
Cookies. I don't like cake really well, except for the cake and icing mixed together. Yes, but not just like cake. But cookies hurt my teeth because the sugar.
Yeah.
Because I have sensitive teeth and my cavities.
If I was to choose a cake, I'd want Walmart chocolate cake. Random, but I love Walmart chocolate cake. And then cookies. I don't know. I don't mind a cookie. What are white chocolate macadamia nut? That's my favorite.
I like warm, fresh out the oven chocolate chip.
Ugh.
And then but with cake I like red velvet. But it's gotta be good red velvet, not like the Walmart brand.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cookies or cake? Oh wait. Twitter or Facebook?
Facebook. I have a Twitter,
Me
but
too.
do I tweet? No.
I don't.
I feel so awkward on it.
Okay. But if I was to pick one, I'd pick Instagram.
I pick Snapchat.
Yeah, Snapchat. Instagram and Snapchat. I'm trying to get into the Insta story thing.
I like the Insta story thing.
Yeah.
I save it for special occasions, whenever I go somewhere or whatever, so people can see that I have a life.
Coke or Sprite?
Coke.
Water.
Cocaine.
Oh my God. Blind or deaf?
Deaf.
Oh. Ugh.
Because I like to see things. I love
Yeah.
to see beautiful, the mountains and the sky and everything.
Yeah.
I gotta see my autumn colors.
All right. I don't know. I like music and stuff like that, so I don't know.
Man.
Yeah.
They could just sign it to me. I mean, come on.
All right. What's your age? We are exactly 9 years, 11 months apart to the day. So, I'm not going to say our birthdays.
No.
Okay.
Because that's Social Security card numbers.
Yeah. Okay, so I am 27 and Autumn is
17.
Okay.
I'm about to turn 18 though. We're getting close. I got my letter in the mail to change my license.
All right. And then you'll be having to carry around a piece of paper driver's license because I had to do that to the bar.
Oh, I have
Super
it in the back
official.
of my phone.
Okay. So, sign. Yeah, what's our sign?
You said that in your last video.
Yeah, mine's a Leo.
I'm a Cancer. I'm a little crabby.
she is. And I'm a little liony.
What is the word? Hangry? I get hangry.
Okay, height. I am 5'2.5".
Okay, so whenever I was in 8th grade, they said I was 5'5". But then, now, I guess I'm like 5'3". I don't know. Like, I don't know.
You are taller than me, though.
Yeah, so that's why I don't understand.
I get that. I was told for years I was 5'2", and then whenever I was pregnant, after I had Aubrey, they told me I was 5'2.5". I don't know. Anyway, oh god,
Sorry.
Longest relationship.
Never had one. But can I, like, I've had a very long relationship with my sister.
I'm her longest relationship. I'm her longest best friend relationship.
Yeah.
Edit.
Censor! We gotta censor Autumn's teenage mouth.
Do we want to go to the mall and eat Chick-fil-A? Or do we want to go
I want to go sit down in the Chick-fil-A. I don't want to sit down in the mall.
Okay.
I don't like the mall.
Alright, so you're gonna need to get over here. Like right now.
Am I good?
Yeah, just hurry up. Okay. Longest relationship. Mine is 9 years.
Almost 10.
We just celebrated our 9-year anniversary in March. What's your opinion on second chances? Well,
I've been
Chick-fil-A.
messed over
Chick-fil-A!
enough that, like, yeah, I still give people second chances and everything, but, like, at this point, want, like, 2 and done. Like, if you're not gonna, like, respect me as a person and be civil or whatever it's called.
Yeah, but I'm different.
Yeah, you are different.
I'm your sister. As our father would say.
Oh, you? Yeah, that's not with you. But, like, other people, second chances. But there are certain people that I will not give a second chance to because they do not deserve one.
Yeah. As our dad would say, family is family.
No, it's not.
And
well, I see different family.
Okay, my opinion on second chances, it depends on the person. If I know I'm not gonna like you within the 5 seconds, I won't waste my time on getting to know you any further. So that's just my opinion on that.
I mean, some people that I talk to are as hard-headed as you, and then in the beginning they're like, I don't like any. But then, like,
I'm not comfortable with.
But then, like, they are nice, but they're just kind of a butthole to the start. But then, like, whenever I get to know them and we become friends,
Well, like
really
Bobby. Nice. Remember Bobby from a couple Memorial Day weekend?
Yes, with the hat.
We didn't me and my husband, I'm not saying his name.
Yeah.
Me and my husband didn't think we were going to like him, and he's like our
You could see my tan line.
Best friend.
Or my sunburn line, because I was wearing my sunglasses. I painted the road yesterday. Got sunburn.
Long distance relationship.
Me and my sister were separated for 2 years.
I'm currently in one. There's somebody standing. This awkward. Okay. Do you believe in ghosts?
That's hard. I believe in spirits. But, like, I don't know. I don't know what I believe. I'm 17 years old.
Do you sleep with the door open or closed? Closed.
I sleep with it, I don't know. Like, because certain situations, I feel very, and, like, with the stuff that's been going on, I feel safe at home, but it's, like, kind of like, what if somebody comes in? Well, what if somebody comes into my house and I'm, like, sleeping in the full mood? Edit that out.
10-4. Have a boyfriend or girlfriend? I have a husband.
I've talked to a lot of people, and not like a lot.
Do you like yourself?
I love myself. I mean, I love myself, and I feel like I I don't feel like I could do better. I just want me to be better. You know what I mean? I want to always be bettering myself. That's why I was going to that's why I really need to go back to the gym.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
And it's only $11 for me. That's some cheap gymming.
I just walked down my road.
Well, I liked it too. Because I do the elliptical and that's less work.
Yeah. I like myself. I'm alright. Alright. That was quick.
Yeah, that was only like 20 minutes.
Alright, I don't know if we'll video anything else, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like us, subscribe to my channel.
And if you think that we should do more videos together, leave it in the comments. Because Autumn wants to start her own YouTube channel, but Autumn doesn't know how to do that.
Autumn should.
And Autumn's poor.
You can afford cheap Birkenstocks, so you're good.
I can afford what is that, tripod?
You look like you're red.
Yeah, because I'm sunburned. I didn't put on foundation today.
Okay.
See, this just looks normal.
We're gonna go chow down on some flippin' Chick-fil-A. Heck yes. See you later.